Hello everyone, welcome to Complete Picture. Today I'm gonna show you
You may need to adapt the techniques to the variety of bitter gourd chosen, the planting season, and sowing method. The crawling area gives proper aeration and light exposure. The narrow paths will help with irrigation and drainage. Broadcast 40 grams of NPK fertilizer and 3 kilograms of organic fertilizer every 2 meters along the length of the bed. Prepare seedlings for a plant population of 8,800 plants per hectare. Place 1 seed per hole and don't sow too deep. The depth equals the size of 2 seeds. The best approach is to position the sharp tip where the radical root comes out, pointing down into the soil medium. If you're unsure, you can place it flat. Cover lightly after sowing and water it gently. Place the trays in an improved nursery. Ensure good ventilation and maintain constant moisture. When seedlings are ready after 8 to 10 days, harden and transplant them. A good seedling has well-developed roots. Prepare holes to transplant the seedlings. You can use a reflective plastic mulch or organic mulch like rice straw to conserve moisture and minimize weed growth. Check out our mulching technical guide for more information. The trellis should be in place before transplanting. Use available materials in the surrounding area. Adapt the style according to your area's conditions. Check out our net trellis technical guide for more information. Transplant the seedlings at a suitable height, not too deep, not too shallow. Space the plants half a meter to 1 meter apart in 1 row per bed, depending on variety specifications and planting season. Water after transplanting. Regularly observe the field. To prevent disease from spreading, always remove the infected parts or whole plant and weeds. Apply fertilizers regularly, in small quantities at the tip of the root. Follow the recommendations provided in our crop guide. Water regularly. Prune lateral shoots that are not productive in the first 10 nodes, around 50 to 75 centimeters high from the ground, to improve yield. If problems are observed, discuss with local experts to find the best solutions. Refer to our crop guide. Bitter gourd is ready to harvest 35 to 40 days after transplanting, depending on the variety specification. Harvest bitter gourd in the morning or late afternoon and handle carefully. Place the harvest in a shadowed, well-ventilated area.